we just got here to Coronado Springs. Thankfully, our room was ready already, which is great because it's not even 11 o'clock yet. But we're gonna go ahead and do a room tour. We are in building 5 of the Casitas area. And we have a standard king room. So first, when you come in, there's a nice little chair here for you with some Three Caballeros artwork, which is really great. And then you have this huge vanity desk area. There is a Keurig as well as some K-cups, and then your ice bucket and your cups. And then you have this neat little like lamp. And your, hey, that thing, I'm not going to say it because it's going to set it off. Then you have this big cabinet right here, opens up for the beverage cooler. There's a chair here so you can sit if you have to do any work. There are 6 drawers here. They are all empty, but they're great if you are looking to unpack. We are only staying one night, so we will not be unpacking. TV. There's a nice full-length mirror here, and then this interesting trash can recycling situation we got. Then you have the sliding barn doors into the bathroom area. So it is his and her sinks, which is great. There are cabinets underneath. One of them does have your hair dryer. The other one is empty. Have some extra towels, tissues, more cabinet space up here, as well as some shelves. Again, great if you are staying for an extended period of time and you would like to unpack. There's hooks here. There is this nice closet, has hangers, extra pillows and blankets, and then your ironing board is back in there, and your iron and your luggage stand. And then there is a cubby at the bottom. Then when you come over here, so we have sea salt body lotion, we have a thing of mouthwash, a vanity kit that has just like a couple, like a nail file, cotton swabs, that kind of stuff, and a shower cap. Then you also have your soap. And as always, these mirrors, which are super zoomed in on one side, regular on the other side, and they light up. I do love that the whole mirror area lights up as well. Then we have our toilet, nothing special, it is what it is, and our shower area, which has a cubby. You have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then you have this amazing shower head. There's your clothesline. There's a little shelf here as well. And it's really big, so you don't feel cramped at all if you are in the shower, which is great. Next, over here, we have some more Three Caballeros artwork. There are nightstands on either side. The bottom of the one here on this side next to the bathroom has the safe. And then there's a drawer here. Then you have this lamp that has a light switch so you can switch it on and off. It has 2 regular plugs and 2 USB ports. Then, whoa, you have this reading light that I just blinded myself with. Sorry about that. And we are in a 1 king room. So we have a fabulous king size Disney bed. And then on this side, very similar. You have the reading light again. There are some light switches here so you can turn it on and off the lights, as well as the overhead light. Then another lamp with the 2 outlets and the 2 USB. This one has your Bible inside, and then the bottom cabinet is empty. So yeah, that is your 1 king standard room here at Coronado.